Okay, let's try to finish the sample exam too. So we're at question 6. So question 6, when planning a cruise, you have 2 choices of 2 destinations. So 2 choices, right? C or J. If we want, we can make a tree, right? Let's see, C or J. There are 3 types of rooms. So under each, we have 3 types of rooms. BIO, BIO. And the 4 types of excursions. So under each one, we have 4. Right? B, we have W, H, P, and Z. Each one of them, under each one of them. There's the same, there's the same, there's the same, there's the same, there's the same. Right, so this is asking if you're choosing only one of each. So how many possibilities are there? So remember by counting principle. By counting principle or basic counting rules. So we multiply those 3 numbers. So 2 times 3 times 4. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, 24 of them. We can also see from this tree, right? Under B, we have 4. Under I, we have 4. So under each one, we have 4. We have 6 of this because we have BIO under J, we have BIO under C. So that's why I have 24 of them. That's 6. Let's see 7. Question 7 is saying, it is presentation day in class, and your instructor is drawing names from a hat to determine the order of presentation. If there are 18 students in a class, what is the probability that the first 2 presentations will be Kelly and Harmony in that order, in this order? First one to be Kelly, second one to be Harmony. Okay, so what is the probability? Express your answer as a fraction lowest term or decimal rounded to the nearest millionth. Okay, let's see. Out of 18, so we pick 2. So the probability to be Kelly is 1 out of 18, right? 1 out of 18. Since Kelly is already out, so we have 17 students left. But there's only, we want to choose this Harmony, so the probability is 1 out of 17. So the answer for this, the probability that the first 2 presentations will be by Kelly and Harmony will be the 1 out of 18 times 1 out of 17, which is 1 out of, how do we multiply? Of course, you can use calculator. Right? So when we multiply this, we can multiply 1 with 1. Because this 1 is 10, this 1 is 10, so we get 100. 7 times 8, we get 56. Then this 10 times 7, we get 70. This 10 times 8, we get 80. 80 plus 70, 150. So this is 156. So plus 150, that's 306. So 1 over 306. Keep like this. Right. So that's 7. Let's see, 8. A survey of 125 freshman business students. So this is our sample space. At a local university, produce the results listed below. How many students took only music class? Okay, let's see. 30 took English, 33 took science, 32 took music, 14 took English but not science, 9 took science and music, 10 took English and music, 2 took all 3. So we start from the bottom. So 2 took all 3. So we put 2 here, right? 2 belong, so we have English, science. Let's see, this is English, this is science, and this is music. So I have 3 circles. So English, right? Science, and music. But to be precise, we need a universal set, right? We need a universal set as a rectangle or as a box. Right? The universal set is how many? 125. So we read here, 125 students. So 2 take all 3. So 2 belongs to English, belongs to science, belongs to music. So 2 in the intersection of all 3. Now let's see, 10 in English and music. So 10 in English and music. So English and music. The intersection is this, right? English and music. So it's this, 10 of them. But since 2 is already there, so we have 8. 9 took science and music. So science and music, total 9. 2 is already there, so they should be 7. So we don't know how many take English and science, but we're having this. So 14 took English, 14 took English, but not science, just not here. So there should be 14, just not this. Right? 14 took English, but not science. So that's this much. Let me draw. Take English, not science, right? Not both. So this in total, 14 of them. But we already have 10 here, so there should be 4. So only 4 take English. So 30 took English. Oh, 30. Oh, hold on. 14 took English, but not science. 14 took English, but not science. Right, 14 took English, but not science. Oh, including these 2, right? So that means this one plus this one should be 14. So 8 plus 6. So this should be 6. Because the intersection is here, right? The science. So it should be this. So 14 took English, 14 took English, but not science. It should be this much. Should be this, because not science, right? Took English. So 14, 6 plus 8 should be 14. But then this is saying 30 took English. 30 took English. Okay, so we just add up. So we already have to, let's not do English. Let's do others first. Because we have sample size 125, so we can figure out later. So 32 took music. So music is this circle. We have 17 already. So 32 minus 17, which is a 15. So put a 15 here. In total, 32 take music, right? 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 15, that's 32. 33 took science. 33 took science. So that means this total should be 33. should be 33, but we don't know this, right? We don't know this. So the total is 33. Let's put here. Total is 33 for science. Then 30 took English. So 30 took English. So we already have 10 here. We have 6 here. So 30 minus 16, that should be 14. So this here should be 14. It should be 14 people here. Total should be 16 students take English and science. Now science total 33. So 33 minus 9, so 23, right? 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. Minus this should be, so they should be 10. Now let's add up all these numbers. So let's add up all these numbers. So we have 2 from inside. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 14, 24, 24 plus 7, 31. Put 31 on the side, right? That's these 4 numbers. Then we have 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 15, 31 again. So we have 62. So 125 minus 16, so this is 3, this is a 6. So 63 students didn't take any of these courses. So the question is asking how many students took only music? 15, right? So the answer is 15 for this question. Okay, let's finish 10. Let's see 9. Question 9. Customer account numbers for a certain company consists of 4 letters followed by 2 single-digit numbers. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 letters, those four letters, then followed by 2 digits. So how many different account numbers are possible if repetition of letters and digits are allowed? Well, how many letters in total? 26 in English letters. How many single digits? 0 to 9, 10 of them. So if repetition allows, so we have 26 choices for the first one, 26 for the second, 26, 26. Then 10 choices for those. So multiply by counting principle, we multiply those numbers. So get 26 raised by 4, multiply by 100. Okay, let's get the number. I need to use my calculators. So 26 raised by 4. 26 raised by 4. I get a 456,976. But then we have to multiply by 100, so we have to put 2 more zeros here. I'll change this comma. So 600 we have a comma, 697 we have a comma. So 45 million, 697,600. Right, that's how many possible combinations there. Okay, let's see 10. You know what? Let's finish up here. Okay, so we have a couple more questions, and we'll finish by next video.